Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial we are going to learn how you can get a refund over on your Epic Games Store. So try to watch the video till the end. Now the first thing you need to do over here, obviously you have to log in with your account, and over there you have to click over on your username and go to account. So once you click on it, it will basically switch you to the account settings. So once you're in your account settings, now in the left you will find some options. Now you have to go to transactions, and once you head to transactions, it will display all the purchase history to you. So these are the purchases which I have purchased. These are games, and obviously these all are for free. But if you have paid some bucks on a video game, so before the email receipt you will have an option to get a refund on your Epic Games Store. So as you can see on your screen, this is the option which you will got if you purchase any game with your bucks, and once you click on it you will definitely get a refund from the Epic Games Store. So this is basically how you can get a refund over on your Epic Games. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.